Hi everyone, my name is Kristen and welcome to the Wapiti Regional Library Creative Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make some Play-Doh. Play-Doh is so much fun to play with, but it can be quite expensive or you might not be able to go out to the store to get it. That's why I am going to show you how to make Play-Doh using ingredients you probably already have at home. This can be done by all ages, but keep in mind it requires some hot water, so you might need an adult to do it. Let's make our Play-Doh. Let's make Play-Doh. You will need food coloring, 1 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and 1/4 cup of salt. Take a heat-safe measuring cup and pour in your lemon juice. Then add water up to the 3/4 cup line. Ask an adult to put this measuring cup in the microwave for you for 3 minutes until it is boiling. You are going to mix together the salt and flour with a spoon. Ask the adult to pour in the hot water and lemon mixture to your bowl. Stir this together with a spoon. Once it is mixed good, you are going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then start mixing together with your hands. If you want to have colored Play-Doh, add a few drops of food coloring and mix it together with your hands. Be sure to wash your hands after so they don't stain. To make a Play-Doh flower, you can pinch off 6 balls of Play-Doh and roll them. Put them all together and press down the petals. You can store your Play-Doh for up to 3 months. Just make sure it is in something with a very tight lid or seal. Have fun! See how easy that was? If you want to add a scent, you could always mix in some essential oils to your Play-Doh. And remember, only keep it for up to 3 months. See you soon!